Hola buddies, and welcome to the 17th video of the Shinobi Showcase series, which is entitled How You Doing? Number 17, a Kamustahan series. In our Filipino language, kamusta means how are you in English. So like in my last video, I'm going to showcase the past special Shinobi for us to see how are they doing today in attack mission after they have received rekits and were not buff anymore. So, if last time we showcased Hashirama Senju, of course, next one, we're going to showcase his rival duo, Madara Uchiha. Yes, he's not boosted currently anymore, but it's also worth noting to test him also if he's still good right now in attack mission, even though it's been 3 months already since his rekit had passed. Is he still good, or is he meta, or is he somewhat weaker now that the current forts are being dominated by the Naruto and Sasuke, the last duo defenders, which is very OP. So let me show you first my Madara Uchiha Shinobi. So as you all know, like in Hashirama Senju, I was also shafted in their banner, failing to get any of their EX ult. But I managed to get their LBs and successfully made it +2. So as you can see here, this is my Madara Uchiha. His setup is currently prepared as a defender because currently Madara, I am using Madara in my defense. But for our showcase, we're going to use his old LB. No, so here are the tools that I have with him. These are the stats of my Madara Uchiha. So he had complete resistance against Seal because he had natural immunity against paralysis for 30 seconds. And here are the jutsus that I have with him. So for this showcase, we are going to use the old LB. So like Hashirama, I also have his old LB at +1. And like Hashirama, the old LB is important because if you want guaranteed chakra regeneration for this Shinobi, you have to use the old LB because their new LB will only give you chakra regeneration if you can damage the enemy. So without damage, no chakra regeneration. So if you only want sure. But there is a catch here which you're going to saw in the clips that I will be showing you. So I only have his oldest EX ult, the very first one, the summoning jutsu, 9-tail beast bomb. And later, I'm going to spoil you. It's really hard to use this one, but I believe it's still a bit very useful in times today because this EX ult will give you big CP recovery, as you can see here. And it's very useful currently in the current meta, as you all know, because most of the Shinobi are CP depleting. And I only have him at level 8 and not level 15. But it's still not a loss because as you all know, these have a revive again effect if the bar is full. And I am using Sasori's follow-up jutsu because it inflicts seal, which is perfect for Madara's 4-star because his 4-star will decrease the seal resistance of the enemy. So Sasori will, on the other hand, will inflict the seal upon the enemy. So let's test him. So can this Madara Uchiha who look like this can still survive out there? Let's see.
さて、抗ってみせろ。ガラ空きだ。俺をあまり失望させるな。ガラ空きだ。ガラ空きだ。セロ。ガラ空きだ。俺をあまり失望させるな。セロ。ガラ空きだ。俺をあまり失望させるな。ガラ空きだ。セロ。ガラ空きだ。セロ。俺をあまり失望させるな。ガラ空きだ。セロ。ガラ空きだ。セロ。俺をあまり失望させるな。あれをやるしかない。ガラ空きだ。セロ。ガラ空きだ。セロ。俺をあまり失望させるな。セロ。ガラ空きだ。俺をあまり失望させるな。セロ。セロ。ガラ空きだ。セロ。セロ。ガラ空きだ。俺をあまり失望させるな。ガラ空きだ。セロ。俺をあまり失望させるな。ガラ空きだ。俺はやる。骨の髄まで味わうがいい。かわいい。全身あるのい。これで決める。思いの俺をあまり失望させるな。俺をあまり失望させるな。俺をあまり失望させるな。俺をあまり失望させるな。失望させるの。 あまり失望させるな。悪いがここまでだ。ここまでだ。悪いがここまでだ。かわいい。
Okay, so let's process everything that had happened. So what do you think, buddies? Well, for me, I think Madara Uchiha is Rikit is also successful like Hashirama. But for me, it's conditional because unlike Hashirama, if you don't have his old Majestic Attire Susanoo EX Ult or the new one, the one that gives nullification, it's really hard as you saw in my video. It's a bit hard actually because even though he's really good in defense and in attack as a support, as you can see, he had past AI and he is really loyal in using his jutsu because whatever you put in the first here as the first jutsu, it's the one that he will always spam. So if you use the LB, if you put the LB there, he will constantly strip the enemy's invisibility and status effect if you have his LB at a higher plus. And he follows the jutsu order given to him because the animation of his jutsu is quite longer. That is why even though it takes a little bit time, it's a bit time consuming, it also gives an opportunity for him to regenerate the next jutsu for its next use. So that is why I think it's the factor making him to spam always at least the first one or the second one. And he's great, just like Hashirama, in inflicting knockback upon the enemy. As you can see, I used his 4-star as an entry in whenever I am facing mats because it pushes the enemies. And when combined with this LB, they will further strip. But unfortunately, there is a catch there because the longer you approach the enemy and the more you spin, it is not a 100% that the enemy will be pushed back, as you can see. Sometimes they will have a little bit chance to use their jutsu and buff themselves, making them evade the continuous knockback given by Hashirama. That is really a sad part as regard his LB because I thought before that when his LB is cast, whoever will be stuck in his spinning jutsu will be continuously stuck there. But unfortunately, the closer you get, and it's not a 100% chance that they will be knocked back. Though, his jutsu are through our frame. Actually, the LB as you can see right now, I encountered a seemingly a Narukage with a max supermassive Rasengan Connect EX ult. As you can see, as Narukage continuously use his EX ultimate, spamming it, Madara is not dying. He's just continuously spinning. And it's good. And it's really good in both in attack and defense because it's a combined aspect of that. Either you're going to use him as a defender or as an attack. It is a combined defense and attack. Though, the problem, as I have mentioned, if you don't have the new EX ult, because it's really OP, it gives an area of effect, it gives damage nullification, but if you don't have that, or at least you don't have the Majestic Attire Susanoo, the one that shoots, what's that? Somewhat Beyblade against the enemy, it's really hard for him because using this summoning jutsu, Ninetales Tail Beastbag, it took a while before it hit the enemy. So, as you can see in the final room after I entered, I went very close to the enemy. So, at least to damage them when Kurama appears. But why is this not a problem in his other Majestic Attire Susanoo EX ult, the 2022 Rikit? Well, that jutsu had a special buff, which is the Susanoo causes damage in the area itself. His Majestic Attire Susanoo inflicts damage in surrounding. So when you cast it, even though you are far from the enemy, as soon as you cast it and as soon as the enemy is there, they will die. And the other problem is that if you are going, on the other hand, to use the 2LB, as you have seen in the clips, it's hard to detonate traps because we don't have a jutsu here that can detonate the traps. They can only detect traps. And the jutsu that can detonate traps are this hiding in ash jutsu. Unfortunately, if you use this, if you use pure fire Madara, you will be lacking of the guarantee of a CP recovery. So this is just a problem that I have encountered as regards the kit that I had with Madara. But all in all, you know, buddies, if you manage to complete his kit, you have his old LB, you have his new LB, you have this hiding in ash or the 4-star, and of course you have the EX ult, and you max it, there's no problem at all. It's just like handling Hashirama. It's very smooth because you can just freely cast the EX ult as the Kurama spins. Everything will be damaged anyways. And if you don't have that, if you use the spinning beast bomb, as soon as Kurama appears, it will damage all things in the room even before the spinning beast bomb explodes in the floor. So it's good, actually. It's good if you have those jutsu. And yes, I'm not saying that he is meta, but he's also solid like Hashirama in attack mission right now. Even though the NTL and STL are now reigning in defense. They're good. They're like Edo Itachi. I can say that Madara Uchiha is also the embodiment of a utility shinobi. No? It's only balance attack and balance defense. So that's all that I have observed in Madara Uchiha. So what are your thoughts regarding this, his previous Rikit? Did you got his full kit or not? Or how are your experience in using him? Or are you still using him currently? Share your thoughts in the comment section. So that's all, buddies. Kita-kits, mga katropa.